The two models are two extremes, but in reality, what makes sense is to have something in between. First, we should allow clients to benefit from using their local memories and their local disk, and to store at least some parts of the file they're working on. For instance, it makes sense for clients to download some blocks of the file that they're accessing, or even to apply certain prefetching techniques, just like what regular file systems do when they're trying to prefetch blocks from disks into their memory cache. This will lead both to lower latencies for those file operations that access these locally stored or cached portions of the file. And by doing this, also some load is removed from the server, since some operations can be fully performed on the client machines, and thus the server becomes more scalable. Now, once we allow the clients to store portions of this file locally and to perform operations on the file, including modifications, it becomes necessary for the clients to start interacting with the server for two reasons. First, the clients need to notify the server of any modifications to the file that they have made, and also the clients need to find out from the server if any of the files that they have locally cached has been modified by someone else. These interactions have to happen with some reasonable frequency so that it's not too late by the time that we discover that certain changes have been made. This is beneficial because unlike in the upload-download model, with this, the server is still in the loop. It has insights into what exactly are the clients doing, and it has some control over which accesses should be permitted versus not. So it becomes easier to maintain consistency. However, the problem with this is that it makes the file server more complex. It means that the server would have to perform additional tasks and maintain additional state so as to make sure that it can provide consistency guarantees. And achieving a practical solution of this model means that the clients would have to understand somewhat different file sharing semantics compared to what they're used to in a typical local file system.